Problem. Hello, everybody. It's nice to start before Monica because, as Louis said, she's the big boss.
No,
so.
no.
But, well, first of all, I would like to say thank you to Readmagine for inviting me. And it's a great pleasure to be here with everyone. And I already, it's amazing. I already met some really new, interesting people, starting from yesterday evening. And then I already met a very special friend from Mexico, which I've just recently met in Sharjah, bookseller conference. And so I think it's a very nice, vibrant group here entertaining these days. So first of all, I would like to give you a small introduction in what we do. The Umberto Elisabetta Mauri School for Booksellers was founded in '83 by Luciano Mauri in memory of the father Umberto, which was the founder of our group, in memory of his daughter who died prematurely. In its 40 years of annual iterations, the school has become a space for debating, testing, and assessing the possibilities of the book industry. Programs have always been geared towards professional and aspiring booksellers, and the school restates its commitment by organizing important dialogue opportunities about the future of books involving Italian and international booksellers and publishers. On the right-hand side, you see the sketch of our logo in '83 made by Bob Norder, and still it was redesigned a little bit, but it is still there. The second education. The educational and professional training effort is directed towards the creation of a common European book culture. It focuses on the fundamentals of running a business as a bookseller, exploring all the requirement management, technological and cultural skills. The program also aims to take stock on the necessary knowledge for an ever-evolving profession, which I think is a very important point. The school project has long been characterized by two main activities: the specialization course in Venice, referred to as a postgraduate seminar, and the monographic course held in Milan. Two exceptional training opportunities to address and explore the main aspects of bookstores' activities, including management, finance, distribution, marketing, and promotion. This is just to show, this is a selection of courses we did this year, some in classroom teaching, some online, and we created two new master classes, one on the selection of and how to buy books for a bookshop, and the other one on social network and social media. This is our specialization seminar. The first course, involving 30 professional booksellers, takes place every year at the end of January at the Venice Giorgio Cini Foundation. It's this beautiful place just opposite St. Marco's Square. And the symposium includes 3 days of study and a final conference, a paramount opportunity to access the Italian and international book scene. And that's our last group photo of 2020. And I'm working on a in session in Venice, and I really do hope that we can realize it, because today I would say you never know. Last year I was completely secure to do so, and then in the end, in October, of course, we decided to shift it online. During the pandemic in 2021 and 2022, the school successfully shifted to the online mode. Several hundreds attendees joined our classes. And of course, we did also realize 2 final online editions of the conference. I think some of you followed it as well. And it was followed by over 1,000 participants coming from 29 countries. And we're very proud. We had a very good presence of Spain, actually. Expansion of our education activities. As of 2018, the school has decided to expand its teaching efforts by starting various training projects in addition to our traditional ones in Milan and Venice. And first of all, we started in a partnership with the main Italian wholesaler Fastbook, a series of courses organized in their cash and carry sites to be able to meet very small booksellers from all over Italy. And in 2018, the school also launched a project for booksellers in southern and central Italy in collaboration with 2 promotional networks, M Promozione and PD Promozione. And the first 3 events were held in Rome, Naples, and Palermo. So Palermo was our last one, unfortunately. And the 4th meeting will be after the pandemic, of course, in fall in Bari. And the purpose of all these initiatives are involved to increase the number of bookstores, especially in the independent and smaller ones, who might find it difficult to reach the school traditional locations. We also have other initiatives for booksellers. In addition to the training program, the support provided by the School for Booksellers includes the assignment of the Luciano and Silvana Mauri Booksellers Prize and the Nick Parent Job Grant. They are both assigned in Venice at our annual conference, and the Luciano and Silvana Mauri Booksellers Prize, on the left-hand side is Silvana, on the right-hand side Luciano. It was established 2007 in memory of Luciano and Silvana Mauri, which they died unfortunately that year, which is Umberto's, the founder's son and daughter, and respectively Elisabetta's father and aunt. Now it is on the 16th edition. The prize is awarded every year to an Italian bookseller who has distinguished him or herself for initiatives to support of culture and the dissemination of books. This is the Nick Parent Job Grant, which we just started because it was named after a great friend of the School of Booksellers, the publisher of publishers, the Profile Books chairman Nick Parent. And the job grant was launched in 2020 by the initiative of Waterstone's CEO James Daunt, but unfortunately the first job grant had to wait, and she just actually returned from her experience. And the exchange program offers the opportunity to spend a month in a Waterstone's bookshop and experience a different professional approach in one of the most successful enterprises in the business. The first winner was Irene Quercioli. You see her in the photo, from Rinascita Bookstore Empoli, which is a very nice independent bookshop near Florence, who has just finished her experience at Waterstone's Trafalgar Square. And this is our structure. So our founder is our holding company, Messaggeri Italiane, and this is our small organization, so it's my colleague and me. Of course, then we have the help of our board of directors, the scientific committee and the teaching committee, and they are always around. This is the structure of our group. And you can see on the right-hand side, Fondazione Mauri is completely independent. And then you have the group, the holding company, Messagerie Italiane, and on the on the left-hand side, you see all the publishers, and the greens are the distribution. For example, we have also digital distribution. My colleague is present. and the retail and the promotion, which is the light blue. And this is our start on strategic orientation on ESG issues. And so if you would like to know more, please ask. Thank you.